Hello students, so let's solve this question. The speed of light is c, acceleration due to gravity is g and the pressure is p are taken as fundamental units. Then the dimensions of gravitational constant g are. We need to find the dimensions of gravitational constant g in terms of speed of light c, acceleration due to gravity g and the pressure p. So we need to assume that the gravitational constant g is dependent on this quantity. I am assuming a k which is a dimensionless constant into c raised power alpha, gravity g to the power beta and pressure p to the power gamma. So I have assumed that gravity g, universal gravitational constant g, is dependent on these quantities c, g and p with powers alpha, beta and gamma respectively. So this is first thing we need to do in order to solve this question. We need to assume that gravity, universal gravitational constant g is dependent like this. Now by dimensional analysis, the dimensions of left hand side and dimensions of the right hand side should match. So if I put the dimensions of every quantity, universal gravitational constant is coming in force equal to g m1 m2 by r square, this formula. So by this formula I can get the dimensions of f, dimensions of g, which will be f into r square by m1 m2. F is mlt minus 2 into r square is L square by mass, which is m square. So dimensions of gravity, universal gravitational constant will be m to the power minus 1, L to the power 3 and T to the power minus 2. So you can put these dimensions of the gravity, universal gravitational constant g in this equation. M to the power minus 1, L to the power 3 and 2 to the power minus 2. It should be k into c, which is Lt minus 1 to the power alpha, gravity which is Lt minus 2 to the power beta into pressure which is force by area, which is mLt minus 2 by L square to the power gamma. If you arrange the powers of m here, it is only in the last expression, so m to the power gamma, then L which power will be alpha, in second expression is the beta and in third expression it will be minus gamma, into time to the power minus alpha minus 2 beta and time to the power minus 2 gamma in the last expression. So if you compare both sides, gamma should be equal to minus 1, L the power is 3 on the left hand side and it should be equal to alpha plus beta minus gamma, and time period power in the left hand side is minus 2 and right hand side it is minus alpha minus 2 beta and minus 2 gamma. Solve these equations. By first equation it is known to us that gamma is minus 1. You can put the gamma is minus 1 in the second two equations. So you will get alpha and beta equal to 4, because gamma is minus 1, it will become plus 1 here, in LHS it will be minus 2 here, sorry it should be minus 2 here, it should be 2 here. And if you put gamma as minus 1 here, you will get plus 2 here, on that side it will become minus alpha minus 2 beta. If you put gamma equal to minus 1 here, it will become plus 2 and going in that side it will become minus 4. So by the last equation I am getting alpha plus 2 beta equal to 4. You can solve these two equations. By this two equation you are easily getting that beta should be equal to 2. You subtract these two equation, you will get beta as 2. By putting beta 2 here, you will get alpha equal to 0. So by putting values of alpha, beta and gamma, now you can write down g as k to the power k into c to the power alpha. Now alpha is 0, universal gravity g to the power beta, and beta was 2, and pressure to the power gamma, which is minus 1. So dimensions of gravity should be this 0, 2 and minus 1 of the c, g and pressure respectively. Thank you.